Hello everyone. This session is for discussion of ESE Mains 2021 paper. Before starting, there are basic announcements. On 12 months of subscription, additional 3 months is being provided. Those who are preparing for GATE and ESE 2023, for them bilingual batch is being launched on 24th of November. The topic which is starting is strength of material. This problem is of BMC. There are two parts in it. The first part is how do superplasticizer increase the mobility and make the cement concrete flow? What is the advantage of using fly ash and concrete for massive dam construction work? And the second part of the problem is what are the disadvantages of destructive method of testing of concrete and advantages of non-destructive testing of concrete? Now, since the problem is theoretical, I'll be discussing all the points. I'll not be writing it. All the points are already mentioned, unlike the other problems in which I have solved the entire problem. So, plasticizers are organic or inorganic substances or mixture of both, purpose of which is to reduce the requirement of the water in the concrete. So, it will give you two advantages. First, either it will increase the strength of the concrete or it will increase the workability. It increases the strength by reducing the water cement ratio. Now, how it act? They act as a surfactant. They get adsorbed over the surface of the cement particle. So it can be seen. They get adsorbed over the surface of the cement particle, generates negative charge over it, because of which repulsion is generated between the particles. Now we are also known to the fact that certain amount of water is entrapped in the voids of the cement particles, approximately 15%. This repulsion between the cement particles releases certain amount of water, and that water now participates in the hydration process. So it increases the workability also. Moreover, now the water is required to be added in the concrete will be comparatively reduced because certain amount of the water will be released in between the particles. So this is the basic mechanism of superplasticizer. Now the advantage of using fly ash in concrete for massive dam construction work is it will give you higher ultimate strength. It will reduce the permeability of water and aggressive chemicals. It improves the workability of the concrete. The shrinkage of the concrete get reduced. Moreover, it reduces the bleeding. So all these are the advantages of fly ash. It is a pozzolanic admixture. The second is drawback of destructive testing and advantage of non-destructive testing. Now, in destructive testing, whenever the test is performed, you cannot use that component. Moreover, destructive testing is always being carried out on a representative sample. It means it will never give you the strength of the concrete which is actually used in construction. This is the basic drawback of destructive testing. However, certain other points I have mentioned. There are drawback of destructive testing like it will non-comply the material supplied in terms of specimen test results or other specified requirement. There will be uncertainty in the level of the workmanship in destructive testing. Quality control of the construction cannot be found with the help of destructive testing. The change in the strength of the concrete cannot be found with the help of destructive testing. So all these are the drawbacks of the destructive testing. Moreover, if you see the advantages of non-destructive testing, there are several advantages. You can find the change in the quality of the concrete over the period of time because here you are not destroying the specimen. Here the specimen can further be used into the construction work as it is not being destroyed. You can find certain other flaws also into the concrete like development of cracks, entrapment of the water. So that can also be done. So there is no wastage of the material as it was in the case of destructive testing. So there are several advantages of non-destructive testing. Few of them I have mentioned. Out of them, three or four points can be mentioned. Thank you, everyone.